Hey, son. Who? Go. I saw you talk to that female monkey the other day, and I think it's time for us to have the talk. You know the birds and the bees. You know the birds and the bees. You know the birds and the bees. You know when a bird.
Man, what's your problem here? Never ever compare birds to bees.
Man, what's your problem? It's just a saying.
Don't ever compare birds to bees. Totally different. Bees have stingers and they hurt, and birds have allergies to bees, are allergic to bees. I remember when I was a little, got stung by a bee.
All right, son, go out and play, but watch out for those bees. Okay, Dad. Whee, small red. Look at my son. He's all having fun. Oh no, Junior, those are bees.
What happened to me, Dad? I'm all swelled up, and it hurts. It hurts.
Don't worry, son. It's just puberty. Let's go get you to the hospital, okay?
Man, you've got problems. You need to go to a doctor or something. You're probably mentally retarded. Why do you think I'm angry?